Okay, so we're back again at the workbench. Where I left you guys off was I've basically swapped out another ESC and this motor here was jittering. But what I didn't realize was that the other motor here was not working. So what I had to do was, off camera, what I did was I swapped out another ESC and I swapped another one of the motors that I have, and it also starting to work. And I also just got a bunch of shorter wires that came with the kit, and I did that, and I also hot glue gunned all the solder points just because of time. Yeah, time. It always goes back to time, eh? So yeah. So today, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to mount the GPS and how to get that all working. And I'm also going to show you a transmitter setup on how I did this. First, what you're going to need is you're going to need some thin CA, or you're going to need some you need some CA, or you're going to need some, this is CA, or you can get some like epoxy or whatever the hell you guys have. I don't know what you have. You're going to need a screwdriver wrench, actually 2.0 millimeter hex driver, or in this case I have the drill, but again it's sitting right there. I was just gonna say no, I'm not prepared, but I am prepared. So and you're basically gonna need fasteners. So you're gonna need 4 of the fasteners here, because we are gonna put this like this. And I did get the hole. I got the hole. I did get the broken piece out of the actual GPS. So you can see there, the hole there is nice and clean. So now it's much easier to find that hole, and that's what she said. But anyways, yeah. So this is just gonna mount up in like this, and we're gonna put it right here, and I'm gonna fasten it down with the included hardware that goes with the arms. And I'm going to show you how to input that into the actual computer, which I'm gonna have to switch tripods, or maybe I can just hand show you or something like that. But let's get started. So first, what you want to do is you want to mount the this actual thing here onto the aircraft. Now, if this is brand new for you guys, the bottom half, like this cross piece here, and the part that is on the bottom, the one with the hole in it, one with the hole in it, will be separate. So you have to glue those together first, and then you glue you can actually double side tape or glue the GPS together. You can glue the mount, the actual GPS mount with the stick together. So what you do is just testing this dry fit in this here. It's pretty original. So let me have a look here. It's going to need a bit of rotating, obviously, so we can set our magnetic declination. I'll get to that in a bit. But first, what we're going to do is we're going to get a couple of our top fasteners. If I remember now, I left certain ones at the top. These ones are for the top, I know, because it's higher, it's farther away from me. So I'm just going to, mount it on here. Now with GPS mounting, there's so many ways you can mount it. You can mount it here, you can mount it here, you can mount it here, all around here. You can even mount it back here, or even on the arm. But you don't want to hit the prop, because you'd not be a happy camper. You can, some people mount it on the front with double stick tape. That's fine too. You can do whatever the hell you want. I just think that when you put it right here, it's farther away from all the GPS. Sorry, it's farther away from all the RF noise and the ESCs and the motors. It's pretty good, and there is a reason why they included that, was for that purpose, just to get it away up and away from all the interference and stuff. So basically, with something like that, from what I've experienced, the higher this is, the better, because the less interference you're gonna get. It's just in the software, instead of setting it to minus 10 degrees for the actual z-axis, if I'm saying it right, the z-axis. No, it doesn't make sense. Shit. So I don't know. It's just one of those axes. and there's the phone. So I'll come right back.